Hello everyone, welcome again in data structures class. So in this lecture we will discuss recursion. If I talk about recursion is fundamental technique of computer science which can be applied to solve many types of problems. But how it works exactly? So simply put, recursion is a function that calls itself. Yeah, we can say recursion can be applied whenever a problem can be solved by dividing it into smaller problems that can use the same algorithm for solving them. Else you can see here the simple definition, the process in which a function call itself directly या indirectly is called recursion, and the corresponding function is called as recursive function. So here you can see a simple example of recursion. A function name is factorial and it is called itself with the same name. This is the example of recursion. Here you can see a recursive function is look like a Russian doll. Each time you open a doll, a smaller one will be inside and you repeat the process until you reach the smallest doll, which doesn't contain another one. Let's reverse a string. Using recursion, recursive function must have an AND condition, as you can see here, to determine if it should call itself again or not. In this case, if the string is empty, we won't make another recursive call. And here you can see where the recursion is actually happen. The function call itself with a parameter which is substring of our string starting at the index 1. So what we return is result of our new call plus the first character of the input string. Let's see how it works step by step. The function calls are nested and they are nice example of a stack. The last call returns as a first one and the first call return as a last one, and that's it. When it comes to algorithm, every algorithm using recursion can be rewritten to use iteration instead and vice versa. In imperative language such as C or Java, due to performance, it is preferred to use iteration over recursion. Actually, this doesn't apply to fundamental programming language where use of recursion is very common. So, what can be recursion used for? Recursion is used for sorting algorithm, can be implementing using recursion, also finding files in directory structure or parsing XML or HTML file. We can use the concept of recursion. You may have even seen recursive acronyms such as PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor. Thank you.